In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by opening your source board. Head over to your Monday.com workspace and locate the specific board that you want to use, for example, your KPI board. This board should contain all the metrics you're interested in tracking. This is a crucial first step because an effective dashboard is built on the foundation of accurate data. Next, we'll create the dashboard. Look for the blue plus sign on the left side panel of your workspace and give it a click. Now in the search bar that appears, type in dashboard and select it from the options. It's time to name your dashboard clearly. Something like KPI dashboard will do just fine. Once you've given it a name, click on Create Dashboard, and you'll have a new canvas to visualize your data. The next task is to connect your data. You'll need to select the KPI board that you opened earlier, as this will ensure all relevant data flows directly into your new dashboard. After choosing your board, don't forget to click Done to confirm your selection. Now let's add widgets to your dashboard to visualize your data effectively. Click on the Add Widget button, and you'll see various options available to choose from. You can opt for charts, numbers, or graphs, depending on how you'd like your data displayed. Each visual representation can serve a different purpose, so think about what best showcases your KPIs. Once you've added your desired widgets, it's time to configure them for optimal insight. Click on the three dots on a specific widget to open its settings. Here, you can select your preferred visual style. Whether you want a bar chart, line chart, or a pie chart, the choice is yours. Be sure to set the specific values you want to track within each widget. This could include vital metrics such as revenue, task progress, or conversion rates, whatever KPIs you need to monitor. After configuring your widgets, take a moment to review your setup. Once satisfied, close the settings window. You'll have the flexibility to reorganize the layout anytime you need to, as your reporting needs might evolve. Simply drag and drop the widgets to your desired positions until they feel just right. This dynamic nature of the dashboard makes it a powerful tool in tracking your key performance indicators. Remember, the clearer and more organized your information is, the easier it will be for you and your team to make informed decisions moving forward. Thank you for following these steps on building your KPI dashboard in Monday.com. By utilizing this tool, you can transform data into actionable insights that can drive your project's success. Enjoy creating your dashboard, and don't hesitate to experiment with different widget configurations to find what works best for you.